how to delete all saved videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your TikTok app, go to your profile in the bottom right corner. There, you can see the bookmark like icon. That is where your saved videos are. Tap on it. So click on the save videos, and then when it is yellow, then that means it is saved. You just need to click on it and uncheck it. Now this will be removed from the save videos, as you can see. So you need to do the same with all of the other videos. Unfortunately, you cannot do it all at once. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.